Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious low-calorie bean recipe, and this is all the ingredients you'll be needing. First we're starting with some honey beans, some bell peppers and onions all chopped up. I just have a mixture of white pepper, seasoning powder and some salt, then some white pepper, cumin and curry powder. Also I'll be using this tomato sauce to instead of oil. Basically I replaced oil for tomato sauce in this recipe. So let's get into the video. First you want to wash your beans and add it to boiling water. Then we would let this cook until the beans is soft. So let's just cover it, let it cook for a few minutes, and then we check it. I usually just you can see that the beans is already soft, but I press it just to be sure. That's like a way you can find out if your beans is soft enough. I really like my porridge beans like really soft, almost mashed. Then you add your onions, you let it cook for a little bit. Then the next thing we'll do is add our tomato sauce. Tomato sauce was a very good alternative for this recipe because it added color to the sauce, which ordinarily I would have used some palm oil for. And then the next thing we did is add the rest of our seasoning. Basically in no particular order, I just put everything together, mix it and let it cook for a few minutes until all the flavor has melded together and just, become one. Yes, so this is a very quick recipe that you can make, especially if you're looking at reducing the amount of calories you consume in a day, or if you're on a weight loss journey. This is one recipe that has helped me through that. I usually just make a couple of it and then I just put it in bowls and refrigerate it. The last thing I do is add the bell peppers, and as you know, we don't let bell peppers cook for so long, so the moment we add our bell peppers, our meal is ready. So I'll just turn it, get it into the beans, and that's it. This is a quick video. Yeah, basically that's everything. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'll always reply to your comments. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to do. If you have any questions about this recipe, you can ask as well, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. And yeah, that's it. It's ready. This entire, you have about 16 grams of protein in this recipe, and it's just under 150 calories per serving. Until next time, have a good one, guys. Bye.